Hi there, Tracy Hazzard from Hazz Design, Inc. Innovation by Design columnist and podcast host of Product Launch Hazards. And I am so excited that I've been invited to speak at the Global Sources Summit in Hong Kong this October. And I am going to be bringing you success by design strategies and tactics for building an even bigger brand. So if you're already an Amazon seller or an e-commerce seller and you're looking to amp up your brand and rev up your sales, you need some strategies for how to talk to suppliers, how to get better original product design, then this is the talk for you. And I am so excited to help you amp up your business from 7 figures, 8 figures, maybe even 9 figures. And I've got strategies all along the way for how you can go from an Amazon seller all the way onto the shelf. And wouldn't you like to do that in combination with the Global Sources trade show, so you can go right down there to the trade show floor and work with suppliers, and I'm gonna work with you on some tactics for how to communicate with them as well. So I'm really excited to see you there, and I look forward to seeing you in Hong Kong at the Global Sources Summit.